Hello future engineers, there is another video in Engineers in Progress, particularly on circles. So there are two exercises here, and here are the problems. Find the equation of the circle satisfying the conditions stated below. Through the point 0, 0, negative 3, 4, and 5, 2, and B through the points quantity negative 3, 1, negative 4, negative 2, and 2, 3. Also sketch the graph of the circle and label the center and the radius. Express the equation in standard form. So the general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So here is the general equation, reduced general form. Then from here, we substitute the points on the circle because these points satisfy the equation of the circle. So at 0, 0, everything will be 0 here except f, which has no x or y partner. Therefore, f is 0 when we substitute the coordinates 0, 0 for x and y. Then at negative 3, 4, so x is negative 3 squared plus 4 squared plus d times negative 3 plus e times 4 plus 0, because f is 0, equals 0. So from here, we can set up the first equation, negative 3d plus 4e equals negative 25. Call that equation 1. Then at 5, 2, which is this, so 5 squared plus 2 squared plus d times 5 plus e times 2 plus 0 equals 0. So simplifying, 5d plus 2e equals negative 29. Equation 2, solving these two equations simultaneously, we get d equals negative 33 over 13 and e equals negative 106 over 13. We then substitute into the reduced general form in order for us to transform this reduced general form into standard form, and from there we can find the radius. So x squared plus y squared plus d, which is negative 33 over 13, then times x plus e is negative 106 over 13 times y, f is 0, so equals 0. Multiply everything by 13, so 13x squared plus 13y squared minus 33x minus 106y equals 0. We then complete the square in x, so we factor out 13, so we have x squared minus 33 over 13 times x. Then to complete the square, we add this 1089 over 676, where this 1089 over 676 is 1/2 of negative 33 over 13, then quantity squared. So that's the result. Then plus, factor out 13 for y. Let's complete the square for y. So 13 to quantity y squared minus 106 over 13y plus this term is 1/2 of negative 106 over 13 quantity square. So that's the way of completing the squares in y. Then equals, so we added 13 times 1089 over 676, and that is 1089 over 52. Again, 13 times 1089 over 676, the new term in the left side of the equation is 1089 rather over 1089 over 52. While 13 times 2809 over 169 is 2809 over 13. Combining the terms in the right side, so we have 13 times quantity x minus 13 over 26. This 13 over 33 over 26 is the square root of 1089 over 676, quantity square. And the sign is negative because the sign here is also negative, plus 13 times y minus 53 over 13 square, where 53 over 13 is square root of 2809 over 169, and the sign is also negative because the second term is negative here. then equals, combining these two, that's 12,325 over 52. Then we divide everything by 13, so we have quantity x minus 33 over 26 square plus quantity y minus 53 over 13 square equals quantity 5 square root of 493 over 26 quantity square. That's the radius. So the center is at, set this to 0, 33 over 26, comma 53 over 13. And the radius is 5 square root of 493 over 26, and that is approximately 4.270. So we then sketch the graph of the circle. This is the standard form of equation of the circle. That's the answer. This is the center, 33 over 26, that's 1 point something, and 53 over 13, that's 4 point something. So that's the center. These are the points where the circle passed through. And this is the circle. Not accurate, but anyway, that's the circle. Then the radius of the circle is approximately 4.270. So that's it for that problem. We then proceed to B through the points negative 3, comma 1, negative 4, comma negative 2, and 2, comma 3. So we begin with this reduced standard form. So we substitute first at the first point on the circle, negative 3, comma 1. So we have negative 3 quantity square plus 1 square plus d times negative 3 plus e times 1 plus f equals 0. And simplifying, we have negative 3d plus e plus f equals negative 10. Call that equation 1. Then at negative 4, comma negative 2. So quantity negative 4 square plus quantity negative 2 square plus d times negative 4 plus e times negative 2 plus f equals 0. Simplifying, we have negative 4d minus 2e plus f equals negative 20. So we call this equation 2. Then finally, at the third point, 2, comma 3, we have 2 square x square plus 3 square plus d times 2 plus e times 3 plus f equals 0. So 2d plus 3, 2d plus 3e plus f equals negative 13, equation 3. Solving these three equations simultaneously, we get d equals negative 29 over 13, e is 53 over 13, and f is negative 270 over 13. We then substitute these values into this reduced general form, which is this. So we then multiply everything by 13. So we have 13x squared plus 13y squared minus 29x plus 53y minus 270 equals 0. Then we factor out 13 and complete the square in x. So 13 quantity x squared minus 29 over 13x plus 841 over 676, where 841 is the square of 1/2 of this term. Then plus factor out 13. Let's complete the square in y. 13 times quantity y squared plus 53 over 13y plus 2809 over 676. Then equals, we transpose negative 270 to the right, so it becomes 270, and add the new terms in the left side, which are 13 times 841 over 676, which is 841 over 52, and 13 times 2809 over 676, which is 2809 over 52. Simplifying further, so 13 times quantity x minus 29 over 26 square plus 13 times quantity y plus 53 over 26 square equals 8845 over 26. Divide everything by 13, and simplifying, we have quantity x minus 29 over 26 square plus quantity y plus 53 over 26 square equals quantity square root of 8845 over 13 square root of 2 square. So this is the standard form or equation of the circle. And the center is at 29, 26 and negative 53, 26. The radius is square root of 8845 over 13 square root of 2, which is approximately 5.116. Finally, we sketch the graph of the circle. These are the points negative 3, 1, negative 4, negative 2, and 2, 3. This is the circle. The center is at 29 over 26, negative 53 over 26, and the radius is approximately 5.116. So that's it for this video.